Guikatsu in Japan, is it worth it? Watch till the end to find out. This is part 2 of day 9 in Japan, currently in Kyoto. After Nishiki Market, we joined Kyoto Localized free walking tour to experience the culture and history of Kyoto. The cherry blossoms were in full bloom and we explored and learned about some iconic spots like Maruyama Park, the famous bridge in Gion, spotted so many females wearing kimono. This is the iconic photo spot of Yasaka Pagoda. You can see the cherry blossom by the corner. It's just been raining the whole day today. It's a little bit hard to explore and enjoy the places. My fingers are frozen. While we waited for the rain to pass, we indulged in some baked goods we purchased earlier. They were all so delicious. Kiyomizu Temple is so beautiful, especially during the cherry blossom season. No matter the season, we were told that this temple is always packed. Because of the rain, we couldn't quite enjoy the views because all I saw were these umbrellas. This is fried yuba, so addictive. For dinner, we went to Guikatsu, which was all over TikTok. We waited for almost an hour and a half. I was so hungry by this point. We ordered 2 sets of katsu. They gave us a plate to grill the beef to our liking, hot rice, miso, katsu, variety of sauces. I was very excited for this meal, but it did not live up to the expectations nor the price. If I were you, I would give this place a miss. That is it for day 9 in Kyoto. Follow for Japan travel vlogs and travel tips.